Hello YouTube, it's we here again, Morris and Bob from Morris Mini Motors. Today we doing a installation slash timing video on the OS Pegasus. We have all the hardware we're going to be using today: sensor bracket, magnet ring. Magnet ring have two magnets in, red and a green. Some of the parts we'll be using in the installation: piston stop, plug spanner, rcxl protractor kit coming with the timing device, and we have the brand new OS Pegasus. So Bob's going to help do the installation with the sensor bracket and the magnet ring and the timing sequence, and trying to walk you through step by step, showing you how the timing's been set. Okay, Mr. Bob. So usually we replace the two front screws. We already removed them to speed things up. We replace them with slightly longer ones. These are 2.5 by 12 mil long. So everything will be fitted on, and once everything is in place, then that's when we tighten everything up. So we dry fit the sensor bracket, then we install the ring onto the prop hub, then we fine adjust the bracket itself. Usually we're looking both for a 1.5 mm gap spacing between the body of the sensor itself and the magnet ring. Usually the kit comes with the sensor already in the into the bracket already, but if you need adjusted, you just hold on with a grub screw. Usually you just loosen the grub screw or push or pull the sensor itself in the aluminum bracket. So Bob happy with the gap between the sensor and the ring now, so he's tightening up. Then we could go ahead and find TDC, just a dry fit with the piston stop. Then we'll locate TDC roughly. Then we install the protractor, tighten the protractor onto the shaft itself. Then we do another check to see if the TDC is still the same place. So the piston stop is fully adjustable in and out, so you could really fine tune where you're gonna locate the piston in place. So that's roughly TDC now. So Bob will just nip that up with a spanner, hold the protractor in place. Then we'll use a stiff wire to show us 0 degree on the protractor. Trying to get it anywhere clamp onto the engine or on a workbench if you have a steady workbench. We use a silver solder and a crocodile clip. Gonna put it to the back of the engine. It's a long pull to the front, but usually it works. Sometimes it doesn't, but fingers crossed today it will work for us. And you locate your wire or your pin to 0 degree on the protractor, and with your piston stop in place, guiding you, helping you find the TDC position. And now Bob is happy with that, and just fine tuning, checking, make sure everything is in place, and we're happy at 0 degree. Now we rotate the shaft and everything to 30 degrees, adjust the piston stop in, and that would hold it at 30 degrees, so no matter what you do, you wouldn't move the shaft. And now you can plug the sensor into the rcxl timing box or the buzzer that will locate the light when you rotate the ring. So you usually turn the ring in the same direction the prop is turning. So we have some grub screws, so those are what we use to locate the position once we're happy with the timing. So Bob's going to rotate the ring now, and it's gonna, as you can see, that's a green light, and that's the one that we're gonna use. And it's gonna test it with the red light as well. Yeah, everything's working fine. So we're going to use the green one for this timing procedure, and once the passes the sensor, that's where we stop and we tighten up the grub screw in place. And as simple as that, that's your 30 degrees before TDC. And because the red magnet, it's already equally spaced, 180 degree apart, once that rotates again, the red magnet would fire at 30 degrees as the same. And we have the ignition unit that we'll be using as well, being specially designed by rcxl for any 4-cylinder inline boxers. These comes with the new push-on plug caps, 1/4" 32, and I'm pretty much happy with that process. I see it takes less than 6 minutes to do the timing, and now we will get the engine on the bench, give it a test run, and show you the performance. Okay, stay tuned for more great videos to come. All right, cheers, bye.